Alright, CNT 120, Chapter 4 Lab. We are on Part 7 on NetStat. Now, NetStat is a utility. Command allows us to see network statistics, things like active TCP connections. This can be handy, especially if you're in like a server. See there's what connection sessions are open. You can also use on a desktop to see what sort of things might be running in the background that you're not aware of. What sort of connections are out there talking to different servers. What pieces of software are running sessions that talk to different servers. So we're going to, on our Harrisburg PC over here, we're going to open the desktop on this guy. We're going to the command prompt, and I'm going to run the netstat command. And it's not going to be surprising that I don't have any open connections right now. We haven't really used this for anything in the lab, so it's sitting here just idle. And that's fine. So what we're going to do is we're going to open a web page on here and then go back and check the results. So I'm going to go here to web browser, and I'm going to open my cnt.org website. And I'm going to at least get a session going. So there we go. www.cnt.org. I'm going to open that. You can do it. And I'm going to do that. I'm going to click the go button here about maybe 12 more times. So it's opening the web page multiple times and then closing it out. Closing out that session. So now I'm going to repeat my netstat command. And I'll see that I have a bunch of sessions that were open and closing. You see all the port numbers here, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. That was each time I refreshed that web page. And if I check back a little bit, most of these will be closed out and gone. But I did it a handful of times so you can at least see my machine talking to the web server at port 80. Every single one of those going to port 80. And here it's a different TCP port number every time. So NetStat allows you to see, especially if you have a computer in a live system, any sort of connections that might be open on this and what port number it's using to communicate to, in this case, what device it's communicating with. So while I'm here, I'm going to copy my NetStat results. And if yours might only have a couple, that's fine. I'm going to copy these NetStat results. I'm going to go to my text file over here. I'll put a note for Part 7, NetStat. And I'll paste those results in. And again, if yours only has a couple lines here, that's okay. But I should have, I should have at least a couple sessions after opening that web page a couple times. There is my NetStat. There is my NetStat.